RedZX4 here again, and this is RedZX4's Anime Topic Episode 1. I had to delete the old one because the audio got messed up. But let's begin with today's episode, Sub versus Dub. Now, there are two types of anime fans in this little battle here. One is for the dub side. Anime fans feel like by dubbing it, you can understand what's going on. And the storyline will be more vivid and more clearer when the characters are speaking in English. And if you got the right voice actor. The other side feel like sub, it's perfect because you get the authentic Japanese feel of anime. And this battle has been going on since the heyday of anime. To me, I love dubbed anime. I don't like subbed. Sub to me is just stupid. If I want to read something, I read a book, but not an anime DVD. So I want to know from you guys, what do you prefer, sub or dub? Leave a comment below or leave a video response. So this has been RedZX4. I'm out.